We're going to go Belgium.
So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So thanks for coming to our house.
Then we're coming back.
I don't want it to jump up and hit him with the phone.
I'm not.
Okay, Kim. Now slowly tip it over so he can go.
What's the pun?
Oh, slowly, slowly,
Okay,
slowly.
when you hit, he's gonna hop out and get you. Oh, for the love of Pete. Oh, okay, here.
Camden, don't walk any closer.
Okay, stay there. Just tip it gently. There you go, there you go. There he goes. Oh.
Say bye, Cam.
Bye, guys.
Oh my gosh, there he goes.
No, bye to the frog, not to me.
Bye-bye.
Stay here, honey.
Bye.
There he goes.
Go bye-bye, frog. God, just his body is about 7 inches.
Love it.
I bet you he didn't think he'd be having a fly meal tonight.